Welcome to Nia Imagination. Today I will teach you how to make cover of this iron table or pressing table. Now I will take this cloth, and for this cloth, see, my old one is getting old and it is getting torn from this side, so I have applied this foam over here on it, okay, and pasted it with the help of Favi Bond. Measure lengthwise and keep 8 inches more than length, and measure widthwise and keep 6 inches more than width. Okay, now I have measured this 6 inches more than width and lengthwise 8 inches more than lengthwise. Now from this side, from one side I will fold it halfway, okay, and then give a U shape like this. Now go to sewing machine and fold this once and then twice. After making small shell, just insert this elastic in such band, okay, and insert this into this and take this out from one side. Just keep this like this over one side and keep stitching your this stitch like this, keeping this elastic inside, okay. Just fold this half inch and then again half inch. While coming at this point, when it is turning point, just turn like this. Just turn this elastic towards this side because I am coming at turning point, and turn this like this and again turn once, and then make sure it will not come in your stitch. Yes? Make sure elastic is towards this side only. Then again continue the stitching all over four sides. Like I am keeping this inside, fold this once and then twice, and continue your stitching. Stitch all over four sides, and then we will stretch whenever we will require. See, when coming at end, this is the one end and this is the second end. So turn this towards one side and turn this once and twice, okay. Keep this elastic toward the inner side. Keep both elastic toward the inner side and just do stitch like this over here, like see. Over here only, okay. Just do 1 to 2 stitch. Don't stuck with it. Now you can stretch this elastic, this both elastic. See, both hands are coming out like this. Only this part is also here. Keep this on it, everything on it, okay. And just reverse it. Just make it opposite side. Now this end I have marked this end, so I will not stretch this one, stretch this one, another end, stretch all away. I have stretched all around, so there is this part which can come out, okay. So let me take this out, take this. Now I have stretched this all. Now I will make a note over here. I have made a knot. Now make another knot. Now it's done. Okay. Now from back side it is looking like this. See, it is looking like this, and I will cut this part. Once it is finished now, this cover is ready, and you can open this. You can open this part as well to keep iron on it. Then your cover is ready. Keep watching Nia Imagination, and you can use this table, this iron table cover as in this manner. Thank you. Please subscribe, share and suggest your views at my email ID neaimagination@gmail.com. Thank you.